Hello everyone, my name is Manoj Kumar. Just now I received the AirFox branded package. So this is newly launched online clothing brand called as AirFox. So why too late? Let's unbox this package. Let's see how it will be. So this is the logo of AirFox and it's written some slogan like customized by you, crafted by us. It's nice. Here one QR code is there. You can scan to visit the website. So let's check out inside the box. You can see like this it is. Your one of a kind finery is here, custom made just for you. Nice code. And one card is there and they attached one pen also. Let's check out what is in this card. So it's a complete invoice of the box. This is the cloth I ordered. So this is the package. So like this its cover it is. You can see AirFox logo and title and it says written handcrafted with care. So let's open this. The packing is really good. So this is the black pant I have ordered. You can see some labels and tags of AirFox here. It is entirely handcrafted by AirFox only. The cloth is very good. The smoothness is excellent. The quality looks impressive. The fabric feels soft and comfortable. The stitching is neat and well done. The material looks durable. The color and design are as expected. Here it is written, you can reuse this bag for a laptop or books. If you want to get this high quality branded clothing, simply scan this QR code or visit the website which is linked in the description to place your order. Shop now and experience the premium for yourself. Thank you.